Every year, Lamborghini produces around 10,000 automobiles, generating over €2 billion in revenue, all with fewer than 1,000 employees. This incredible achievement has established Lamborghini as one of the world's most prestigious automotive brands. But how is a supercar built? Today, we invite you on a journey to Italy to explore Lamborghini's facilities and discover the meticulous process behind the creation of these legendary vehicles. Lamborghini doesn't simply manufacture supercars, it creates legends on wheels. At its iconic headquarters in Italy's Motor Valley, the brand has revolutionized the industry by merging cutting-edge technology with unparalleled manual craftsmanship. Over 400 specialists, many of whom are second-generation artisans, assemble each vehicle with a blend of advanced machinery and traditional handwork. Lamborghini set out with a clear goal: to redefine the standards of supercar production. After numerous meetings between executives, designers, and engineers, the Aventador was born, a model that elevated the brand to a whole new level. Its breakthrough came with the adoption of a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, a technology once reserved for competitive racing, now adapted for mass production. In 2009, Lamborghini constructed a massive factory adjacent to its headquarters, dedicated exclusively to producing the Aventador's chassis. The result was an ultralight monocoque weighing only 147 kilograms, dramatically improving the power-to-weight ratio and transforming the driving experience. Lamborghini's journey with carbon fiber began in the 1980s. Leveraging decades of expertise in composite materials, the company developed specialized production facilities without a direct industry model to follow. Drawing inspiration from aerospace engineering, Lamborghini created the CFK Center, a 500-square-meter facility where about 150 specialists manufacture up to 4 complete Aventador monocoques every 24 hours. Nearly half a century after its founding, Lamborghini reaffirmed its commitment to innovation, with carbon fiber now at the core of its future supercars, solidifying its place in the elite of automotive engineering. The production process inside the Lamborghini factory begins with an automated machine that precisely cuts raw materials to millimetric accuracy. These pieces are then placed into molds and subjected to a vacuum lamination process to acquire their desired shape. Once molded, the components enter an autoclave, an enormous pressurized oven, where they are hardened to achieve their final strength. Meanwhile, other components of the monocoque are produced using high-precision lasers and resin injection into carbon fiber fabrics, transforming flexible sheets into ultra-durable, rigid structures. When all the pieces are ready, the base and roof of the chassis are assembled with precise perforations for the final mounting. Lamborghini's unique production method combines artisanal craftsmanship with advanced technology to guarantee the highest quality in every vehicle. Inspired by the aerospace industry, every phase of production strives for exceptional precision and performance. One of the most intriguing quality tests is the hammer test, where a specialist strikes the carbon fiber monocoque with a calibrated hammer to detect any hidden air bubbles. Only if the component passes this test does it proceed to the next stage, the assembly of the chassis and roof. A robotic arm, equipped with laser scanning, then meticulously inspects every contact point, ensuring that all sections fit together perfectly. Once this is complete, the metal components are manually integrated into the monocoque, finalizing the vehicle's core structure. Next, the bodywork is inspected in a light tunnel to detect any surface imperfections. At this stage, the Aventador begins to come to life, revealing its unmistakable silhouette. Lamborghini's process is not just about engineering, it is also an art form and a legacy. Renowned for its avant-garde design, Lamborghini must ensure that every Aventador maintains its iconic identity. The design team faces the challenge of balancing innovation with tradition, preserving emblematic elements such as the iconic scissor doors. For Lamborghini, design is not merely aesthetic. Every line and detail serves a functional purpose. From optimized air intakes to the aerodynamic efficiency of the chassis, each aspect of the Aventador is engineered to maximize performance and efficiency. One of the greatest challenges was ensuring proper cooling for the powerful V12 engine. To achieve this, extensive air intakes were incorporated along the sides, eliminating the traditional 3-part division of the body and creating a fluid, aggressive silhouette. Inspiration for the Aventador came from a variety of sources: nature, sports, technology, and aeronautics. The cockpit, for instance, is designed to evoke the feel of a fighter jet, complete with an ignition button and a TFT display reminiscent of control panels from aviation's golden era. Additionally, the design team drew inspiration from the intricate structures of insects to define the shape of the roof, striking a perfect balance between functionality, aerodynamics, and aesthetic beauty. Once the initial phase was completed, work began on one of the Aventador's most emblematic features, its color. In the painting workshop, each car receives an artisanal treatment akin to a work of art. With 13 available colors, each hue is applied by hand with a precision that few other vehicles can match. Every one of the 27 body panels is carefully painted by experts using a total of 8 liters of paint, and the entire painting process requires 200 hours of specialized work. Refinement alone can take up to 3 full days, and once complete, the body is polished with special materials to achieve a flawless finish. After painting, the vehicle undergoes a rigorous inspection in a light tunnel for 2 hours. Technicians meticulously examine every detail, from the color and assembly quality to the interior finishes. Any inconsistencies are corrected through repainting or additional polishing until the strict quality standards are met. Only when every detail is perfect does the car move on to the final assembly line. Located just meters from Lamborghini's original headquarters, which was founded nearly 50 years ago, is the Aventador assembly line. Although technology plays a crucial role, the assembly process remains predominantly manual, echoing the founder's belief that the skill of a mechanic is essential to success. A dedicated team of 50 employees distributed across 11 workshops works with extraordinary precision to assemble each Aventador. These workers, graduates from the finest mechanical schools in Emilia-Romagna and trained for over 2 years at Lamborghini, ensure that every car is a masterpiece of both engineering and craftsmanship. Despite increasing automation, human expertise remains vital, especially during the engine installation stage. At this point, the V12 engine, a 6.5-liter powerhouse delivering 700 horsepower, comes to life. Crafted from a unique alloy of aluminum and silicon, the V12 is not only powerful, but also remarkably lightweight. Beyond performance, the engine's distinctive sound has been refined through extensive testing and simulations, producing a roar that ranges from deep, resonant tones at low revolutions to a thunderous crescendo during acceleration. As the engine is installed, the body of the car continuously evolves along the assembly line, transforming from a simple carbon fiber framework into a supercar ready for the road. A critical stage in this process is the installation of the transmission. This step, known as the marriage between the engine and the body, is executed with such precision that the transmission system can shift gears in just 50 milliseconds, rivaling the performance of a Formula One car. Every connection is scrutinized to ensure that the Aventador meets the highest standards of performance and safety. Slowly but surely, the carbon fiber chassis transforms into a fully realized supercar. In another section of the factory, the vehicle's interior is custom-tailored to meet the preferences of each client. Every day, about 100 cubic meters of leather in 9 different colors arrive at the plant. Simultaneously, a sophisticated suspension system, inspired by Formula One, is installed to guarantee optimal stability and performance during high-speed driving. The transmission system, operated through precise levers, is fine-tuned to allow nearly instantaneous gear shifts, further enhancing the driving experience. As the assembly process nears its conclusion, the vehicle enters the final phase of quality control and testing. Every Aventador undergoes rigorous examinations, including brake tests in specialized chambers, where the wheels can reach speeds up to 140 km per hour to evaluate the efficiency of the braking system. The entire process, from engine installation to final assembly, demands absolute precision, as any delay or error can disrupt production and increase costs. Only when the vehicle passes all these stringent tests does it receive final approval and is deemed ready for market launch. The last and most thrilling phase is the road test. Engineers and test pilots take the Aventador for a spin, putting every mechanical and electronic component through its paces. In a dedicated light tunnel, technicians inspect every inch of the body and interior to ensure flawless quality. Only when the vehicle meets the exacting standards does it earn the coveted green light to join the elite ranks of Lamborghini supercars. Thanks to the perfect blend of advanced engineering, technological innovation, and artisanal craftsmanship, Lamborghini continues to set the benchmark for supercars worldwide. If this production process fascinates you, leave a comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes insights into automotive manufacturing. Your support helps us continue sharing these incredible stories of innovation and passion. See you on our next adventure.